Hello, in this session we are going to see how to use keywords. So there are three ways you can use keywords. One, which comes in inbuilt, like pre-installed keywords that comes with any library. Second, sometimes you want to wish multiple keyword, combine them, and you want to make your own keyword. For example, you want to click on three check boxes on some page, so you are going to say click this, click that, and you are going to just hard code those things. You are not passing any argument, or you are not going to return anything out of that. So that is like combining multiple things. Another is sometimes you want to use your own keyword. You want to pass an argument, and based on those arguments it's going to perform some operation and it is going to return something. Okay, so that is how you can this is the third way. So let us see at those two things. So I have one keyword my key w. Okay, so if you want to create a new keyword, right click on this suit and say add new user keyword, and then give your keyword name. If it is taking some argument, then give argument like this. Okay, here you can say argument dollar argument 1 and separated by pipe, second argument have 2. So here I have created my own keyword my kw. Okay, it is printing log hello log when I. Okay, that is what it is doing. I'm just combining two keywords and printing it like this. Okay, so it should print hello when whenever it is executed. If I want to use this keyword, all I have to do is I have to import this. Okay, we don't need that because it is defined in the same suit. So if I use the file which is my suit actually, and if my keyword is defined inside that file like this, so you don't have to import anything. Basically it checks whether your keyword exists in this keyword defined out here. Okay, so my keyword, it's not taking any argument, so it will print hello when I. Next keyword, that is I can see subtract two numbers. So this what it does is, so I'm gonna press control and I'm gonna click here. So it tells me that it belongs to math.ops.robot. Okay, so this is a custom file you can see out here. So what it does is, so I have a file resource defined in some other directory, that is you can define your keyword in the same file or another file. So when you are doing this, all you have to do is that just like you have to define the name of the keyword, you have to show the argument, like if it is taking since this is a subtract 2 number, it's going to take first number, second number, and it is going to evaluate. Basically it's going to perform the operation first minus second, and it is going to return the result, and it's going to say return from keyword. Okay, so argument will be defined here, and whatever operation you want to do here, it can be done here in multiple lines. Like these are the file and you want to do something out here, you can do it. And whatever variable you want to return, so you to return something, you can use the keyword like this, return from keyword. Okay, if you use autocomplete, control and space bar after typing something, it will show the available options. So available options are written from keyword, that means it's gonna return this. You can also put something like conditional return, like if your value is 0, then return, else you don't do this. So based on that particular condition, you can return your values. So let us go back to the original suite. So here this maths ops.robot, I'm importing this. So because it's a keyword, I'm going to call it a resource. That is how robot treats it. So click on robots, then browse the file, and d colon, then robots, robot training, inside this python directory, sorry, not python directory, it is f resources. So here maths ops.robot, I'm gonna import this. It's already imported, so I'm not gonna do it again. So again, once after importing the file, if it is showing in the blue color, that means everything is okay. If it is in red color, that means something is wrong out here. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm running my keyword, run keyword. Okay, if I want to run keyword, I can directly use it like this also. So subtract two number, and I'm gonna say number 1 and number 2. Okay, that is a whole. Also I can do this, but if you see the signature of this file of this keyword, it says first and two, and it is also returning a value, because we know that it is returning a value. It ideally doesn't show that in the description. So we are going to say run keyword, and then your keyword and whatever value it is returning will be captured into this result variable. Okay, and then we are going to print a message subtraction of first number and second number, which is defined out here. First number, second number is your result. Okay, so let's run the program. Click here and say run. So yeah, it gave the result 60. So let us see what was the value. So first number was 100, second was 40. So 100 minus 40 is 60. That's what it did. Okay, so there you go. And second keyword was hello Vinay, that it was doing it here. This is my keyword, okay, which was printing hello Vinay twice. Hello and Vinay, it's combining multiple keywords. So that is how you can create keywords. Let me repeat that again. Okay, so all you need to do is you right click on your suite and you can say new user keyword, and it will create a keyword in the same file, and you can give your keyword name and whatever operation you want to do. In case you want to import, you want to keep that keyword in some other file, you can do it in some other file, just like any C library. And then if it is taking arguments, so say arguments in the curly in the square bracket, and then argument separated by tab. Okay, argument 1, argument 2. If you are defining it in the right editor, you need to do that using pipe, the separation. And then if you want to return something, all you have to say return from keyword and then value you want to return. Okay, so it will terminate your program. And in order to use that keyword, you have to go to this suite. Okay, so and then you have to import the resource file. Once that is done, you can use that keyword. And by default, right editor has some setting that if your keyword is correct, it turns blue, else if I'm typing something which is not there like this, it turns in a black color, it shows a black color. So that is how you can see whether your keyword exists or not. So that is about keywords. Thanks for watching the video.